Assalamu alaikum. This video lecture series will explain the first order dynamic systems. The presentation is quite general. These video lectures assume that the participant have the basic knowledge of the linear differential equations and they also know the Laplace transform. The presentation is general, but the participant from the other disciplines, from social sciences and natural sciences, will be able to use this theory for the analysis and design of first order linear dynamic systems. In this lecture series, all the examples will be given from electrical and mechanical engineering, and in the later stage, if I get the time, will prepare some examples from the other disciplines in social sciences and natural sciences. I am Muhammad Shafiq. I teach the linear control system for a long time, and my interest is in the application of control system in general. The learning outcomes of this lecture series are as follows. The participant will be able to define the first order dynamic systems. They will be able to convert the linear differential equation into the transfer function. This transfer function represents the dynamics of the first order dynamic system. In addition to this, the participants will be able to describe and use the following terminologies for the analysis and design of first order dynamic systems: the transient response of the first order dynamic system, steady state response, time constant, rise time, settling time, a video lecture on the identification of the first order dynamic system using the step response is also included in the series, and at the end there will be a separate video lecture explaining some examples from electrical and mechanical engineering. Those examples will be only for the first order dynamic systems. Thank you very much.